Less annoying CRM review. Watch before using. Most people get CRM software wrong. They assume all platforms are bloated, complicated, and require endless setup. The surprising truth about less annoying CRM is that it's intentionally simple, user-friendly, and you won't believe how fast you can get your sales process organized without training or IT support. Here's how it works. Less annoying CRM offers contact and lead management, task tracking, and simple reporting. Users can see interactions at a glance, log calls, schedule follow-ups, and manage pipelines without getting lost in complex menus or unnecessary features. For example, a small business owner juggling 10 clients can quickly see upcoming tasks, update notes from meetings, and track which leads are close to conversion, all from a clean, intuitive dashboard. Most people get this wrong. They think CRM always means complicated dashboards, but less annoying CRM focuses on clarity and usability. Additional features include email reminders, calendar integration, import/export of data, and a responsive mobile interface. Users praise its simplicity, affordability, and responsive customer support. However, there are considerations. The platform may lack advanced automation, integrations, or analytics found in larger CRMs. Most people assume simplicity equals weak features, but for small businesses, it's often exactly what they need. In conclusion, less annoying CRM is ideal for small teams or solo entrepreneurs who want a simple, intuitive way to manage customer relationships without overcomplicating their workflow. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business and productivity tools.